quick little video for you and a training that basically teaches you how to do the things that we spoke about during the presentation that you guys went through. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your app store and you're going to search for the app called MyFitnessPal. You may have already used it. You might already have it. That's okay. Either way, if that's the case, you're still going to need to make sure you run through the create an account option. So none of this stuff really matters because of what we're going to be doing, which is customizing your nutritional goals. So basically, this is how you go in and access your goals. You just follow the steps there that I have on the screen. Moving on here, when we look at to the left in terms of customizing calories, this is where you're going to utilize your in-body like I was talking about. So you go to adjust your calories. If you exercise, you'll add 200 to that number that I had on your in-body sheet right there. If you're working out 2 to 3 days per week, 400. So basically you would just insert that calorie number into the customizing calories section. Then the biggest thing that we would need to be able to do is just adjust your macronutrients. So remember, if you're going to follow these steps, you would use your lean body mass. And if you're working out 4 to 5 times per week, it would literally be that number right there. If you're not working out, it would be 80% of that number. You would put that in under the protein, and then you can adjust your carbohydrates and fats based off of your preference. So if you're somebody that likes more nuts, seeds, and oils, avocados, stuff like that, you would have more of the leftover calories from fat. If you're somebody that likes like pastas, breads, and those types of things, you would obviously need more carbohydrate. Now, with the free app, you're not going to be able to get this 100% perfect majority of the time. So my advice is just try to get it as close as possible. If it's a little over, a little under, doesn't really matter. The cool thing is that you're going to utilize this app to just make adjustments for yourself. When we do your in-bodies next, I promise the people that utilize this, they're going to have the most success in terms of making those changes, mainly because they're just engaging with how many calories they're consuming each day. It's not really rocket science. It's really just giving you guys a tool to be accountable to eating the way that you should. Then you'll save your changes, and then obviously to monitor progress, just make sure you're putting in your food each and every day. And then I just created some additional tips here for you as well to be able to track like water. You can't use the barcode scanner anymore because unless you want to pay for it, which again, it's a great tool if you want to pay for it. It's just not necessarily needed. So hopefully this helps you guys kind of break down the training. I wanted to give you a tool that you could use to actually implement some of the strategies that we spoke about. And just remember the core 4, right? Eating in a calorie deficit, which if you follow the protocol that I have in this document, you will. Making sure you're getting enough protein and fiber. You can look at those things in the app and obviously drink your body weight in fluid ounces of water each day. You guys do those things. When we come in and we do your in-body again, I promise you'll have success.